Good morning, Wildman Mark here. I wanted to bring you guys in on this project. See this house behind me? We are in the middle of the woods. Off of a hill. We've got a lot of challenges with this property. My truck is way up there. What are we doing here? We got mice, carpenter bees, and flying squirrels that have been terrorizing this client. Nuisance animals, bugging them at their house. They love nature, just not living with them. So, what are we gonna do? We are going to install some metal siding. If you've seen, this is board and batten siding. We talked it over and they didn't want to change the look of the house. So we spoke about a few products and we were able to find a product that matches their house almost identically. It's the same color. It's the board and batten metal siding. It's going to be installed vertically and it's got some beautiful wood grain on it. So we're looking forward to getting this project started, obviously when it's not raining. All right, so let's talk about the materials. This material is something that I've never worked with before. I'm excited. So what we have behind us is a pallet of Edco metal siding. This is a steel siding, and as we can see, this is a nice heavy gauge metal. It's 28 gauge steel bent to represent that board and batten. It's got a nice wood grain and it's going to match the house perfectly. And we have all the pieces here. So there's not going to be a whole lot of custom work associated with it. Yeah, sure, I'm going to run into some areas where we got to pull out the brake and do some custom metal. Needless to say, I'm anxious to get this job done, but we got the weather to worry about. We can't really get up there doing a whole lot of work today. So what I'm doing today is I'm going to count my materials, do what I can, and we're hoping for better, drier days so we can get this project going. I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited too. I know they're excited. Let's get it.